Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making Taylor Swift ornaments, and it's the beginning of December, and I already started my Taylor Swift Christmas tree last month, because every year I always do a different themed tree. I don't remember what I did last year, but I know I did Minecraft one year, and then Hollow Taco. That's another older video that I have on my channel where I did all of this painting, decorating, and I have my tree back there. But also, last time I was in this room when I made the Pride Month bookmarks, I didn't show the whole craft room, and slash giant Lego area. So this is just a brief little look at my tree, and then when I'm finished with all my ornaments and put them up, I'll kind of show individually more specific ones and why I chose them. Okay, so now I'm ready to make my ornaments, and I tested 2 different types of glue. I was going to use Mod Podge, but those are what these ones look like. And it's not fully dry, but it's going to take way too long to dry fully. And then this one was just this all-purpose clear glue, not watered down. That's what this one looked like, and it didn't really spread out nicely. And then these 2, I watered down let me take them off the cups. I watered down the clear glue that I used, and they look a lot nicer. So that's the type of glue I'm going to use this, and then I just added water in there. And so yeah, I have my different colors here, and I'm only doing 4 of these ones on video because I know there's 10 albums, but I don't even think I would have enough room for 10 new ornaments on my tree. So this one will be Folklore, Speak Now, 1989, and then Lover. And then I also have other little glitter here with hearts and stars and things I'm going to use. I have some other colors here as well. And then these little 2 extra ones can be Debut and Midnights. So I'm going to start this one first. And these ornaments are a little bit larger than the smaller ones I tested. And these ones are plastic. They're all plastic. So I just already added the water into the actual glue bottle itself. Let me actually shake it up because it's been sitting for a little bit. And then let's try to peek under the table now that we have a carpet under here. And then I also just have these little paper funnels. I have made a bunch for the different glitter, so that way I don't make a mess, even though I already have a little bit of glitter here. So the way I did those 2 is first I have these little cups so that way it's easy to hold. And I'm just adding a bunch to the bottom. There's always glue stuck. But yeah, I'm just adding a bunch in, and I'm going to start swirling it around and also kind of adding extra here as well, because I want to make sure I have enough. And then kind of swirling it in my hands while adding glue was also a nicer way. So I'm done adding glue there. I'm going to swirl it around like this. But yeah, adding water helped a lot because it was very thick glue. And also just flipping it completely upside down will work as well. And then I'll see. Oh, I might be stepping on Willow. Just laying right at my feet. Oops. But yeah. And you can see I kind of missed the sides here a little bit, but I can kind of add more. So I want to make sure it's all nice and covered. Okay. That should be like the last amount we need. Let me put this up here. I'm just trying to fill this teeny little hole here. Okay, there we go. I think I'm good to start adding glitter. So I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna get a different funnel. Open this. Start adding in, silver. I'm gonna add a bunch, but not like too much. Let me try this much at first. I'll just use my finger. You can see it looks nice now. And then one problem like I did have, because this one I just completely left upside down, and so it kind of moved all the glitter down to like one side, and so it kind of didn't distribute evenly. So first I'm just gonna leave it like this for I think probably like a couple minutes or so, and then I'm gonna add more glitter so that way it looks more opaque like these two. So I'm just gonna continue putting glue and then adding my glitter to the rest of these. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna wait like 20 minutes-ish with these. Plus I'm like kind of just experimenting with this one. Because you can see right now, you know, it's pretty clear. And then this one I actually just tested with because this was the one that I showed at the beginning. And that one I did a little while ago. Or I also did like 20 minutes ago, and then I waited, and it makes it like nice and tacky. And so now I've actually found a good method, and hopefully it will work. Okay, so while that was drying, I actually cut out this little thing for Folklore. I know it's not the exact font, but it's actually pretty close, and I did it in black, so that way I can actually see it on the ornament. And the rest are going to be handwritten because it's cursive and very thin lettering. Well, except for 1989, it's thick, but it's also handwritten anyway, and I'm probably gonna have my mom write those out. And so now I'm gonna add more glitter. I'm gonna see how it turns out. So I'm gonna start with this one first. I already did it with the silver, and you can see it looks really, really nice. Probably gonna need to add a bunch. There we go. Shake it up. Oh wow, you can already see. Got a paper towel smaller. Okay, so definitely the best method is to add the glue, then let it like dry a little bit so it's a bit tacky. Not fully dry, but yeah, you can see that's like completely opaque. Because when I was watching a ton of videos, I know like a bunch of people, they use like some like weird poly thing, and it looked like I would have to get it at like a Lowe's or something. This actually worked, and it was like just this pretty cheap all-purpose clear glue. You could probably do it with like, I think there's clear Elmer's glue. But you know, I'm actually gonna test this one. So this one was a tiny little one where I just added a ton of glue in there at the bottom, and then also kind of flipping it around, and I left it upside down. You can see there's like a ton left, and so we're actually gonna see how this one looks. I'm gonna do this like kind of orangey one, really from here. Oh, that way you can see. I do have a little bit of gaps I need to fill with more glitter, but this, I don't even know if I left it for like 20 minutes. It may have been just like 10 minutes that I left. And made it pretty nice and tacky. And so now none of the glitter is running out and everything, and it's nice and opaque, and I don't see any gaps. So yeah, this one can be probably add more. So now I'm gonna add the rest of the glitter into this one, my pink one as well. So here is my Taylor Swift little tree. I was telling my mom, I'm like, I need a bigger tree. Like, I need one that like fully goes to the floor or something, because there's like no extra room or anything. But yeah, so you can see the ornaments I added here. We have Lover, 1989, Folklore here, and then of course I couldn't get all of them now. Fonts up here, Speak Now, and then the Midnight's one I did down here, the debut one over here, and then I have Evermore at the top. And then starting at the top of the tree, I just got this from Target today. I kind of thought it looked like her, and then I thought because the song she has. And then there's a ton of mirror balls scattered throughout the song Mirror Ball, and then we have a microphone here, a piano down here, a guitar, and then this one I found at World Market, and it looks just like the Bejeweled like music video. And then I have this one because the little camera kind of reminded me of 1989 / Reputation a little bit. And then there's this little hat which reminded me of the Red Tour. And then I have 3 cats here. This one is Benjamin and Olivia, and then Meredith with like crazy eyes. So they all look different. That's all on that level. And then I have the message in a bottle here. And I have this house. I thought maybe it could just kind of be like the Folklore house. I also have this little Eiffel Tower over here for Paris. And then down here at the bottom I have a little Christmas tree farm for a song. And then another little peace sign down here. But yeah, I think that's all the ornaments I have on here. I also have this little bird that I got from Old Market. I don't know what type of bird it could be, but I guess it could be a hummingbird, yeah. And then I do have like little teeny, just like other colored ones, or like these ones here that can show midnight. But yeah, this is my Taylor Swift tree. I have a ton of ornaments, and I think it looks super cute. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.